One other point I have to make, and I think this is, again, the sort of the human element to this. And I saw one of the reporters here who I know who's a musician. I don't see him around anymore. But also for the hotel industry. We have said that any, a restaurant or a hotel that makes use of local artists, you get 150% tax deduction on your expenses. So, if you used to hire a Mekke group, you used to hire a local band, bring them back in. If you got a restaurant, bring these people in. Get some live music happening in your resorts. A lot of the resorts, a lot of the hotels, restaurants started just playing stuff, the jukebox or whatever, in the music and the speakers. This is one way of course, encouraging local arts, keeping local culture alive and, doing the fusion and what have you. So if the hotels hire these local artists, and restaurants even, organizations that actually do pay tax, you'll get a benefit from it, but at the same time, these ordinary Fijians will, be encouraged by it. They'll get a source of revenue. And linked into that, all musical instruments, for example, from microphone, anything to do with music, microphones, amplifiers, all been zero rated, including many other things that are related to the entertainment industry. So I just wanted to make that plug because it's very important. Those of you who have clients, please use local artists because you're actually providing a real, sense of, importance to them, but also keeping local music, art, culture alive. And plus, you'll be benefiting from it and gives us a different edge too. Thank you.